Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars, and it's hard to imagine a future without it. But have you ever stopped to think about how AI is influencing our understanding of time itself? The way we perceive time, the way we utilize it, and even the way we think about the future, AI is quietly reshaping it all. One of the most pressing challenges arising from AI's rapid advancements is the enormous ethical dilemma we're facing. As AI becomes more autonomous, it's increasingly difficult to define the lines between human decision-making and AI-driven choices. This blurs the boundaries of accountability, and we're forced to question who's really in control. For instance, if an AI-powered self-driving car is involved in an accident, who's responsible? The human programmer, the car's manufacturer, or the AI system itself? It can predict outcomes with incredible speed, faster than our human minds can even grasp. We've all seen the movies, imagined the possibilities, but the reality might be even more profound than we ever dreamed. But what does this mean for our perception of time, that fundamental aspect of the human experience? Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're about to embark on a journey through the looking glass. We'll delve into the heart of AI, understand its intricate relationship with time, and uncover the profound implications for our future. This isn't science fiction. This is happening now, and it's changing everything. So what exactly is AI? In the simplest terms, it's the ability of machines to learn and make decisions like we do. But here's the catch: they do it far faster and often with more accuracy than humans. Think of it like this. If our brains are bicycles, AI is a supersonic jet. Both can get you from point A to point B, but the jet does it exponentially faster. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, identifying patterns and making predictions that would take us humans years, if not lifetimes, to unravel. It's like having a superpowered detective working tirelessly behind the scenes, solving mysteries before we even know they exist. This ability to process information at lightning speed allows AI to essentially shrink time. Imagine predicting the stock market with uncanny accuracy. This is the power of AI, and it's already changing how we plan our days, make decisions, and even perceive the world around us. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, and you wouldn't be entirely wrong. But the truth is, AI is already deeply embedded in our daily lives, quietly shaping our experience of time in ways we might not even realize. Remember those personalized recommendations you get on your favorite streaming platform? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing habits and predicting what you'll enjoy next. Or how about the navigation app that guides you through rush hour traffic, finding the fastest route and shaving precious minutes off your commute? That's AI too, constantly learning from traffic patterns and adjusting in real time. These might seem like small conveniences, but they demonstrate how AI is subtly altering our relationship with time, making us more efficient, more connected, and perhaps more impatient. AI-driven predictive analytics is being used to optimize resource allocation, streamline logistics, and even predict weather patterns. For instance, AI-powered weather forecasting systems are able to provide hyper-localized predictions, allowing us to prepare for extreme weather events with unprecedented accuracy. This has enormous implications for industries like agriculture, transportation, and even disaster relief. The integration of AI into our daily lives is also having a profound impact on our relationship with time itself. We're able to automate menial tasks, freeing up time for more creative pursuits. But at the same time, we're also creating an environment where time is being compressed and accelerated, with AI driving the pace of innovation at breakneck speed. And it's not just about convenience. AI is also being used in critical fields like healthcare, where it can analyze medical images with far greater precision than humans, leading to faster diagnoses and potentially life-saving treatments. In finance, AI-powered algorithms can detect fraudulent transactions in milliseconds, protecting us from financial loss and preserving the integrity of our financial systems. However, this rapid advancement in AI technology isn't without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it raises crucial ethical questions that we, as a society, need to address. For instance, who is responsible when an AI-powered system makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI is used ethically and doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities? These are complex issues with no easy answers. As AI systems become better at predicting our preferences and making choices for us, are we at risk of losing our ability to think critically and make independent decisions? Is there a point where we become too reliant on these digital oracles, relinquishing our agency to the algorithms? These are not mere philosophical musings. They are real-world dilemmas with far-reaching consequences. As we delve deeper into the age of AI, it's imperative that we proceed with caution, engaging in thoughtful dialogue and establishing ethical frameworks that guide the development and deployment of this powerful technology. In today's fast-paced world, time is our most precious commodity. We're constantly racing against the clock, juggling work, family, and a never-ending to-do list. And it's here, in the realm of time management, that AI is already making its presence felt, offering a helping hand to navigate the complexities of modern life. Think about the tools we use every day to manage our time: digital calendars, project management apps, even those handy reminders that pop up on our phones. Increasingly, these tools are powered by AI algorithms that learn from our behavior, anticipate our needs, and help us optimize our time with remarkable efficiency. Take, for example, AI-powered email assistants that filter out spam, prioritize important messages, and even suggest responses, saving us countless hours of sifting through overflowing inboxes. Or consider the rise of virtual scheduling assistants that can coordinate meetings across different time zones, taking the headache out of global collaboration. These are just a few examples of how AI is becoming our personal timekeeper, subtly shaping our relationship with time by automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and freeing up our cognitive bandwidth for more meaningful pursuits. But as we'll see, the implications of AI on time go far beyond simple scheduling and task management. One of the most profound ways AI is transforming our understanding of time is through its ability to predict the future, or at least to make highly educated guesses about what's to come. This is the realm of predictive analytics, where AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to identify patterns, forecast trends, and anticipate future outcomes with startling accuracy. Imagine a world where businesses can anticipate market shifts with pinpoint precision, where doctors can predict disease outbreaks before they occur, or where city planners can optimize traffic flow based on real-time data and predictive models. This is the promise of AI-powered prediction, and it's already starting to reshape industries from finance to healthcare to transportation. Consider the field of personalized medicine, where AI algorithms are being used to analyze patient data, identify risk factors, and predict the likelihood of developing certain diseases. This allows doctors to tailor treatments to individual patients, improving outcomes and potentially saving lives. Or think about the impact of AI on weather forecasting, where sophisticated models can now predict hurricanes, floods, and other natural disasters with unprecedented accuracy, giving us more time to prepare and mitigate potential damage. But AI's influence on time isn't limited to predicting the future. It's also transforming our understanding of the past. By analyzing historical data with unparalleled speed and accuracy, AI is helping us uncover hidden patterns, challenge long-held assumptions, and gain new insights into the forces that have shaped our world. With AI-powered tools, researchers are able to comb through vast datasets, uncovering insights that were previously inaccessible. This has led to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, materials science, and even astronomy, where the sheer scale of data was previously overwhelming. Imagine historians being able to analyze millions of documents, letters, and artifacts in the blink of an eye, uncovering lost connections and piecing together a more complete picture of the past. Or archaeologists using AI to analyze satellite imagery and ground-penetrating radar data, revealing hidden structures and ancient settlements buried beneath the earth. This ability to process and analyze vast amounts of historical data is revolutionizing fields like archaeology, anthropology, and even economics, allowing us to re-examine the past with fresh eyes. But this efficiency comes with a paradox. The more time AI saves us, the more we seem to crave. It's as if our perception of time itself is being compressed, leaving us feeling constantly rushed, overwhelmed, and yearning for more. Think about it. We can now communicate with anyone in the world instantly, access information with a few taps on our smartphones, and have groceries delivered to our doorstep within hours. This paradox of efficiency raises important questions about our relationship with time in the age of AI. But here's the surprising insight. What if AI is not just influencing our understanding of time, but is actually capable of reshaping our experience of time itself? What if, with AI, we're able to create new dimensions of time, where the old constraints of past, present, and future no longer apply? This is the stuff of science fiction, and yet, it's an area that's being actively explored by researchers and theorists around the world. As technology continues to accelerate the pace of life, it's crucial that we find ways to maintain a healthy balance, to carve out time for reflection, for connection, and for the things that truly matter. Looking towards the future, the intersection of AI and time becomes even more mind-boggling. A world where our homes are preheated to our preferred temperature before we arrive, where our refrigerators automatically order groceries before we run out. And as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it has the potential to fundamentally alter our experience of time, blurring the lines between the present, the past, and the future in ways we can only begin to imagine. One of the most pressing concerns is the question of algorithmic bias. AI systems are trained on massive data sets, and if those data sets reflect existing societal biases, the algorithms themselves can perpetuate and even amplify those biases with ruthless efficiency. Imagine, for instance, an AI-powered hiring system that inadvertently discriminates against certain demographics because of biases embedded in the data it was trained on. Or a facial recognition system that misidentifies people of color at a higher rate, due to a lack of diversity in its training data. As we entrust more and more decisions to AI systems, it's imperative that we address this issue head-on, developing mechanisms to detect, mitigate, and ultimately prevent bias from seeping into these digital decision-makers. The issue of bias in AI runs deeper than simply cleaning up data sets or tweaking algorithms. Our own implicit biases can seep into the data we collect and the algorithms we design. The rapid advancement of AI has also sparked widespread anxiety about the future of work and the potential for mass unemployment as machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. While it's true that AI will inevitably automate certain jobs, it's also important to recognize that this technological shift presents an opportunity to reimagine the nature of work itself. Throughout history, technological advancements have always disrupted labor markets, leading to the creation of new industries and job categories. The Industrial Revolution, for example, displaced countless agricultural workers, but also created a surge in demand for factory workers, engineers, and other skilled laborers. Similarly, the rise of the internet and personal computers led to the decline of certain industries, but also created millions of new jobs in fields like software development, digital marketing, and e-commerce. The key to navigating this transition successfully lies in investing in education and retraining programs that equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy. This includes not only technical skills in fields like data science and AI development, but also essential human skills like critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, for example, will become increasingly important in a world where AI can generate vast quantities of content but still struggles to replicate the spark of human imagination. Critical thinking and problem solving will be essential for navigating complex challenges that require nuanced judgment and the ability to connect seemingly disparate dots. And emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and navigate human emotions, will be crucial for building strong relationships, fostering collaboration, and thriving in a world where interpersonal skills become even more valuable in the face of increasing automation. It requires us to rethink traditional education models and embrace lifelong learning, equipping ourselves with the adaptability and resilience needed to thrive in a rapidly changing world. It also demands that we invest in developing our uniquely human capabilities, recognizing that these are the skills that will set us apart in an AI-powered future. At the heart of the relationship between AI and time lies a fundamental question. What is consciousness, and how does it relate to our experience of time? As AI research advances, we find ourselves confronting this age-old philosophical inquiry with new tools and perspectives. Some scientists believe that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems, suggesting that as AI systems become more sophisticated, they too might develop some form of subjective experience, including a sense of time. Others argue that consciousness is inherently biological, tied to the unique structure and function of the human brain. Regardless of where one stands on this debate, the exploration of AI and consciousness has profound implications for our understanding of time. If we can create machines that experience time subjectively, it challenges our fundamental assumptions about the nature of reality and our place within it. Moreover, it raises the possibility of merging human and artificial consciousness, creating a hybrid form of intelligence that transcends the limitations of either. Imagine a future where we can expand our consciousness, experiencing time at different scales, accessing vast stores of knowledge, or even transcending the boundaries of our physical selves. As we move forward, let's embrace the spirit of exploration and discovery that has always driven humanity forward. Thank you for joining me on this time pilgrimage. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more explorations of the frontiers of science and technology, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions.